Is Turkey's negotiation with Emraly an attempt to eliminate the SDF? Turkey's decision to negotiate with Abdullah Ocalan, the imprisoned leader of the PKK, is a significant move that could have far-reaching implications. Ocalan has expressed his readiness to support a new peace initiative by the Turkish government. This step is seen as a potential breakthrough in the long-standing conflict between Turkey and the PKK, which has claimed tens of thousands of lives. Negotiating with Ocalan could potentially ease tensions between Turkey and the Kurdish population, but it is unlikely to directly control the SDF. The SDF operates with a degree of autonomy and has its own political and military objectives. Additionally, the SDF is supported by the United States, which complicates Turkey's ability to exert control over them. The situation with the Syrian Democratic Forces, SDF, is complex, with ongoing clashes and failed ceasefire attempts. It seems like Erdogan is trying to leverage Ocalan's influence to push for peace, but it's a delicate balance with the US, which backs the SDF. Historical context. When Abdullah Ocalan was captured in 1999, he declared a peace initiative that led to many PKK leaders and cadres returning to Turkey, where they faced heavy prison sentences. This historical context adds an interesting layer to the current situation. Ocalan's recent willingness to support a new peace initiative by the Turkish government could be seen as an attempt to leverage his influence over the PKK and, by extension, the SDF. Given his significant control over PKK forces, Ocalan might indeed be trying to pressure the SDF to lay down their arms. This move could be part of a broader strategy by Turkey to weaken the SDF's position in Syria and reduce their influence. Political context. The AKP, Justice and Development Party, and the CHP, Republican People's Party, have historically taken a hardline stance on Kurdish rights. The AKP, under Erdogan, has oscillated between periods of negotiation and repression. The CHP, while more secular, has also been nationalist in its approach. Turkey views the SDF as an extension of the PKK, which it considers a terrorist organization. The SDF, however, has been a crucial ally for the US in the fight against ISIS. Strategic implications. Negotiating with Ocalan, who has significant influence over PKK forces, might be Erdogan's strategy to indirectly pressure the SDF. By leveraging Ocalan's influence, Turkey could be attempting to weaken the SDF's position and force them to lay down their arms. This move could also be seen as a way to undermine US support for the SDF, as the US has been a key backer of the Kurdish-led forces in Syria. Contradiction in strategy. Erdogan sees the SDF as a terrorist organization due to their alleged links to the PKK. However, by negotiating with Ocalan, Erdogan is essentially engaging with the head of the organization he seeks to undermine. This contradiction highlights the complexity and strategic nature of the current geopolitical maneuvering. Controlling the SDF. Controlling the SDF is crucial for Turkey to survive and enhance its position. The SDF is rapidly gaining ground in areas controlled by Turkish-led forces. Even if the SDF is not eliminated, it could be significantly weakened if the PKK calls back their leaders currently leading the SDF. Conclusion. In summary, while negotiating with Ocalan might help in reducing internal conflict and fostering peace within Turkey, it is unlikely to be a straightforward solution for controlling the SDF in Syria. The situation requires a multifaceted approach involving diplomatic, military, and political strategies. The interplay of regional politics, international alliances, and internal dynamics makes this a highly intricate situation. The outcome will depend on various factors, including the responses of the SDF, the US, and other regional players.